welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share some tips with you regarding how you should conceive having PCOD and thyroid problems. So I was trying to conceive from last 3 years, but इतने सारे problems आ रहे थे कि conceive करना बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा था, and this problem is faced by many of the women. So I have decided to share some tips that can be helpful to you. I was having PCOD. So I tried many medicines regarding PCOD, but many of them were not helpful. फिर हम लोग के ऑफिस में we had one seminar cleansing of your body, and I tried ovary cleansing, which is very easy and convenient and also low cost. There is no single medicine that doesn't have any side effects. By consuming all medicines, we get some or the other problems. So better, this is a natural remedy which we can try, and I found it helpful. Try करने में हर्ज क्या है? So there was mentor in our office seminar, Dr. Dikshit. So he has helped with an ovary cleansing tip, which was very helpful for me. It is very simple. जैसे हम लोग रात को दही जमाते हैं. It is a very simple procedure to prepare curd. For those who don't know, I would like to explain it. थोड़ा सा मिल्क हम लोग बॉईल करते हैं. इतना गर्म करो कि उसमें आपका फिंगर डिप हो सकता है. You don't have to boil milk very much. Just for about 2 to 3 minutes. Switch off the gas. Add some curd in it. फिर रात भर हम लोग उसको जमने रखते हैं. It becomes curd the next day. So what you have to do here is just add a single stick of cinnamon, dalchini stick, into the milk, the very warm milk, and add some little of curd and keep it, let it rest for the whole night. The next day, जब भी हम लोग को लगेगा कि दही पूरा अभी जम गया है, what you have to do is you have to just pick out that cinnamon stick outside and have that curd. With an empty stomach, you have that curd. ये प्रोसीजर आपको और आगे 3 दिन के लिए कंटिन्यू करना है. Before doing this, you can check the size of your ovaries through sonographies. From there, you will get to know that really your PCOD has to be treated or no. I had a problem. I don't remember the exact size of my ovary cyst, exact size of my cyst and my ovaries. But yeah, there were some, and hence I was having very difficulty in conceiving. करने में हर्ज क्या है? It is not very costly, actually nothing, and it doesn't cost any damage to our body also, which is very important. So just repeat this for 3 nights. You prepare the curd with a cinnamon stick. In morning, remove the stick and consume that curd. Okay, I don't know whether medicines worked or this idea worked, but when I had sonography next time, मेरे cysts बहुत कम हो गए थे. Literally, I don't know what helped me, but I think this was the only procedure that helped me, because I was trying to get throughout that PCD from last 2 years might be, but they were not completely vanished. From this curd method also, it was not completely vanished, but they were reduced to very minimal. So this was the one thing I would like to share with you regarding PCOD. And second, my problem was thyroid. थायराइड आजकल के ज़माने में थायराइड इतने जल्दी हो रहा है because due to our lifestyle, what we have maintained, we don't exercise, we don't do much of the hard work as needed. हमारी भी गलती नहीं है. We do work for long 9 hours, and then the traveling schedules and this and that. We literally don't get time. This is an excuse what we make actually. The main thing is that we don't give it a try. For this, I was not taking it that seriously. The day I started my medicines for thyroid, I was in shock because everyone told me that this thyroid medicines, you have to take it for lifetime, and I was quite shocked. I am currently 30 now. You can compare with yourself also. I was literally not taking it seriously. Soon I started thyroid medicines. Then my stomach was getting so bigger. I faced many issues. Then my friend from office, even she had the same problem. She suggested did, she motivated Alpa. She really helped me a lot. She motivated me to walk more because I was not exercising. Exercise is very must in our daily lifestyle, at least 30 minutes of exercise. But it was not possible in some or other manner. It was not possible being, you can say that, being lazy, or what, it depends on what you eat. I truly don't like vegetables, but you have to consume vegetables, especially green vegetables, fruits, salads. You should involve them in your diet, but I don't like vegetable, I don't like milk. So these are the drawbacks. She was constantly walking in office premises, and I watched her. तो मुझे लगा अरे इसका वेट तो बहुत कम हो रहा है, कुछ भी नहीं कर रही है, एक्सरसाइज वगैरह नहीं कर रही है, बट इसका वेट श्योरली कम हो रहा है. Then I started, let's give a try with her. So then I started walking. Actually my carpool services in office was at the point A, but my office was on point B, a distance of 2 kilometers at least. So I stopped taking internal shuttles in campus. I started walking. I started it with 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, and then I liked walking. I enjoyed walking, and I maintained it for approximately 1 hour. Don't walk slowly. Brisk walking is very important. Get some app installed. I installed Google Fit and I monitored myself. I used to set target at an upper side in 15 days or in 20 days, but at least start with something. I actually weighed 67 when I was detected with thyroid. I was very sure that I don't want to continue my tablets for lifetime, but this purely depends upon doctors. You have to consult with your doctor and then decide what you want to proceed with as per doctor's advice. Please don't do it because I am telling it. It worked for me. Everyone has a different body. Once they say you have to start, you have to start. Once they say you have to stop, you have to stop. But खुद की तरफ से भी थोड़ा बहुत ट्राई करना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. With thyroid, there are so many hormonal changes in your body. Your body is not prepared to produce a human being in it. So we have to value our body first. Then God is very kindful. I agree, it's truly a blessing. But give your 100% so that at least you're doing something for it. कोई भी चीज़ easily नहीं मिलती. You have to keep on trying for various things. So मेरे इसमें तो मैंने फिर brisk walking जैसे ही चालू किया, I reduced my weight from 67 to 58. At that point of time, I even started feeling very light. अभी मैंने put up कर ली है pregnancy में. Currently is my 8th month of pregnancy, and hence I thought that it is very necessary to share some informations with you. Thyroid and this PCOD, these are very strong terms, to listen. And then we get so much stressful. Although problem रहता है कि conceive नहीं होता है, we ladies are already very stressful. Rather, we should not be stressful. Our hormones do get changed with the stress, with thyroid, with PCOD, number of things. I started planning and I was not conceiving, and doctors were telling so many things that you have this, then the medicines. My stress was in full swing actually. But this really helped. Walking helped. The only thing thyroid can be in control is your weight. If you don't like to exercise, you're not a morning person. Even I'm not a morning person, but that's totally fine. Walk when you get time. Don't be dependent on any of your friends or your family members or your husband. Just walk when you're alone. Make it a habit. Try that. Brisk walking is your hobby and you should really enjoy it. If you want something, you have to do something. As soon as I reduced my 9 kgs, I checked my thyroid levels for 3 months. They were in control. Then doctor said me that अगर ये control में है तो और एक महीना आप medicine stop करो. We will check again in 3 months. If there are any fluctuations in ranges, then again you have to start medicines. But I maintained my walking. And वापस मैंने 3 महीने के बाद जब ये thyroid की test repeat की, तभी भी it was in normal. Again doctor told me that again after 3 months you have to repeat it. I kept walking. Again after 3 months I checked and it was in range. Then doctor told me that you have to stop medicines now. I was so happy, I was so relaxed, but just the stress was when I would conceive. So I don't know ये चीज़ें affect कर रही थी या नहीं कर रही थी, but according to me major problems in conceiving a baby. So do relax. You don't have to spend much. Just for PCOD, I have told you the curd method with a cinnamon stick. And for thyroid, you have to maintain your weight. Check your BMI. Check what range of weight you should have. And start walking. Don't do exercise. I won't force you to do exercise, hard exercise. Just follow brisk walking. Brisk walking is very important. You should sweat much. You should reduce your weights. Have cheat meals like burgers, etc., pizzas and all on Saturday, Sunday, that's fine. But at least from Monday to Friday, have your home cooked food. If you don't like chapatis, I don't do like any chapatis, but chapatis help a lot to maintain your weight, whereas rice increases your weight. I like rice. I have just decreased its amount. That's it. Follow these 2 steps if you have PCOD and thyroid. Connect with your doctor and let them know what are your ranges of thyroid, or do a sonography and let you know that what is the size of your cyst in ovaries. Most importantly, don't be stressful. I know that you get it once you don't conceive, for if you're planning for 3 to 4 years, and if still you're not conceiving, there is a stress. In this thing, I would really like to tell all the husbands, your support is much needed. My husband, I thank God that he was so helpful. I was like all day complaining to him. We were continuously visiting doctors. You know, at some point, even they get bored of this situation. आज इसके पास जाना है, कल उसके पास जाना है, आज ये करना है, आज वो करना है. Try to do this simple home remedies. For husbands, my message would be, please be supportive to your wife. There is no one she can share all the emotions of not conceiving. There's no one, it's just you. Your support is very important. I was damn lucky that my husband supported me throughout my journey, and lockdown happened and I conceived luckily. I would really thank God for that. Since traveling time was reduced, I have to travel 3 hours for a day, so that was reduced. My stress was little bit reduced. My PCOD was in control. My thyroid was in control. And luckily all things happened good. Recently I was COVID positive, but I didn't have any symptoms. I just traveled to my native place, so there can be something, I don't know, but I didn't have any symptoms, but doctor said that I was positive. Now and then again I have started those 5 days course. Hope so, finger crossed, everything will be fine. Please pray for good health of the baby. I'll soon be delivering in the next 2 months. So yes, be happy, do exercise, and don't take so much stress. Thank you.